Here is the current status of the chunker. I've added a belt guard here and also a blade guard here. Pulled it out to do a little test chunking, sharpened the blade up pretty good. This is a 45-degree angle to half the depth and then a steep reduction in depth for the rest of the distance. So the kerf is basically half of the width of the pipe, which is 3/8, so it's a 3/16 kerf. And it's making some fairly nice cuts, as you can see here. Shearing off pieces without any trouble. I've re-added the inner groove piece here. That helps support the piece of wood, and it keeps it from trying to twist like that when you push on it. Got my nice new motor switch here with a big off button. Works pretty good. What else have I done? Added pins here to hold the axle in place. Added this removable tongue here with a pin to hold it in place. So it hitches up. This is a piece of 2.5 square tubing, 1/4 inch thick. Nice hefty stuff there. And I guess that's it so far. We're getting close to ready for paint. I've got to do a couple other things to it, but I have yet to pull the gearbox out and rebuild it. It needs, this pulley has a little bit of play in it. It's hard to tell without grabbing it and turning it, but a little bit of play. I need to tighten up the preload on the bearings and see if that helps. If it doesn't, well, I may just have to live with it. Not sure there. But I want to get that in good a shape as possible while it's apart. I'll clean it up, and like I said, we'll get everything painted up, and then we'll be done, ready to chunk some wood. Thanks for watching.